Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can earn a couple $100 for a package of real estate photos, said Denver-based drone pilot Vic Moss, who is also a co-owner of the online community Drone U. Flying drones part-time can earn you $500 or $600 a week, and by flying full-time, you can make six figures annually.
Take our lead.
Drone pilots are in demand. In fact, the Association for Unmanned Vehicle Systems International projected more than 100,000 new jobs will be created in unmanned aircraft by the year 2025. The current regulations require that drone pilots receive a waiver to fly their drones over people or at night.
Make your mark, take our lead.
One of the most common ways to make money with drones is selling the aerial pics and videos to people. Drone photography can be quite a profitable business and it is very popular nowadays. On the other hand, you can make custom aerial footage and take photos by commission.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Drones in commercial real estate. The first real estate agent to legally fly a drone for real estate photography was in Tucson, Arizona in 2015. Since then, the use of camera drones to market real estate has taken off in the United States.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Drone photography can be quite a profitable business and it is very popular nowadays. However, if you want to do this job, you must have a drone that is equipped with a gimbal and a quality camera which is capable of making crystal clear high-quality videos, photos from the air.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.